Welcome to ARAD Studio, an online Liferay development studio that requires absolutely no coding but only instructions from you to generate the code and deploy in Liferay DXP. Now we'll show you how you can quickly generate a widget from a simplified interface without using Liferay Developer Studio. Open the form to add a new microservice. Since we are providing an Excel, we'll fill some dummy values in the form and upload the Excel file. For the sheets in one Excel file that both technical and non-technical person can easily understand and create it. If you already have such Excel files that can also be used without any change. After submission of Excel file, all 4 microservices are created, as you can see here. We need to add 4 pages, one for each widget to be added on the page. You are ready to use newly developed widgets and their pre-implemented services. Let's try to add an entry of distributor. Now we'll create a bulk order for this distributor. As you can see, one distributor is successfully created. Newly created distributor is available in the list for creating a new order. While creating order, we realized that order status should not be a text field, it should be a drop-down instead. So let's change this field from text input to drop-down using ARAD Studio. We'll also changing the data input size limit, which in turn will change the size of the column in the database after commit. After modification, we need to commit this change once again. Change is done in the form is committed. Let's see whether this change is reflecting in the widget or not. Here you can see text input field of order status has been changed to a drop-down now. Refresh the page and new entry is visible in the list. In the backend, a separate table with multiple search indexes has been created in the database to store the data and its audit trail. Apart from these actions, there are other useful actions available in the widget. These actions will be available to users only if they are permitted to use them. Here you can select user roles and assign permissions as per your requirements. A basic API doc is also available for integration team to integrate newly developed microservices in any external system. APIs can be used to pull/push data into this system from any other systems or any mobile app.